gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope before you leave, you'll hit that subscribe button. So I have Heaven Panty, and it is no surprise that I love Heaven Panty. They send me a panty every single month in PR, and I love it. I do have new things to share. They are a great company. You can get panties as low as $1.99. By the way, this is not sponsored. They just send me the panty, just so you know that. And the fit is always true to size. The quality is there. So let's see what I got this month. I mean, I've even accidentally dried them and they've never shrank. I've never even had a thread rip with one of these. Like, that's how amazing. And I'm sorry, but naughty knickers, regular underwear from the store, even Victoria's Secrets fall apart. And these ones don't. Okay, so it comes in this bag. And I think the prices on them, like the retail price is $15. Oh, these are cute. Okay, so I get a size small. I am 5'6", about 112 to 115 pounds, something like that. These I should be able to try on because they are not too revealing. They feel a little bit bigger though. Okay, so here is the front. Oh my gosh, these are so stinking cute. And they're so soft. Of course, the only thing that's 100% cotton is the lining in here. And this one doesn't seem, yes, okay, there it is. I'm like, where's the lining? There it is. Usually it's like a little lighter of a color. Okay, so here they are. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and then we'll finish up in just a second. Okay, so the size range from extra small to 3XXX, and now they've expanded them even more. And the one thing I do really like about this company is that after you get your panty, they go ahead and they give you add-on credits to shop in their store. Like right now I have over $200 and I have a lot of things in my cart I just haven't checked out yet. You do pay a handling fee, but that's amazing to get credits to shop in their store. I think that that's just awesome. The customer service has always been good for me, and yeah, so that's everything. If you guys are looking for a panty styling subscription service, I highly recommend Heaven Panty. I'll put their information and my referral link down below. I do believe that the referral link, if you use that, I get $20 to spend and you get $20 to spend, so you can actually start off with credits if you wanted to. All right, guys, that's what I have for today. Go ahead and leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you're using another panty styling services, who it is. Give me all the details, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.